Hello and welcome to Matt's Garden Life. In this video I wanted to share with you one of the garden hacks that I use with 5-gallon buckets. I use them for all sorts of projects in and out of the garden. Okay, let's keep this short and sweet. Here it is. What you will need. You'll need some 1/2-inch PVC pipe, something to cut the pipe with, and some pliers. In this video I use a set of ratcheting cutters to cut the PVC pipe. First, start off by breaking off the old handle. This bucket was older, so the plastic part just kind of fell off when I grabbed it with some pliers. Next, you want to remove the metal wire portion of the handle from the bucket. This is the tricky part. The tip of the metal is bent in a way so that it locks into the bucket. And if you grab it with the pliers, you can bend it in towards the bucket and release it. Once you have one of the sides of the handles out, the other one comes out easily. Try not to distort the handle too much when removing it, because it has to go back in and stay in. You can measure how much PVC to cut using the flat part of the metal handle that you hold on to. Use whatever method you prefer to cut the PVC pipe. Once you have the pipe cut to size, slip it over one end of the metal handle. You will need to bend the handle slightly for the PVC pipe to fit over it. I find that twisting the pipe helps this part along. Try not to straighten out the metal too much. Once you have the PVC pipe on the metal handle, fit one end into the bucket and then use the pliers again to fit the other end into the opposite side. This part, just like removing it, takes a little bit of practice and patience. And I find that orienting the tip of the metal up and bending it in towards the center of the bucket helps this. This handle will outlast the bucket and save your hands when you're carrying. Thanks for watching Matt's Garden Life. Like and subscribe for more tricks, hacks, and ideas, and maybe leave a comment for something you may want to see in the future. Thank you.